Greetings, everybody. Next, we're going to discuss what we call lot sizes. I want you to think of a lot size as how much money am I going to invest? All right. So, when you think about lot sizes, it is not the total balance of your account, but how much are you going to use out of your trading account to invest. So if you want to deposit $1,000, then the lot size would be considered what you're going to invest out of 1,000. Okay, so maybe you want to put $1 in the market. That's considered a lot size or your investment amount. Maybe you want to put 10 cents into the market out of 1,000. That is considered the lot size. Okay, so there's three ways to place a trade. This screen right here is called a quote screen. If you have a Android, the screen will look like this as well. Okay, in this example, I'm using a iPhone. On the screen, you'll see numbers moving. These are called currency pairs. And to add these currency pairs to your phone, you have to hit what we call the plus sign at the top right-hand corner. And it's going to say FX crosses or Forex pairs, depending on the broker that you choose. I do not recommend brokers. That have to be out of your own research, okay? But you'll use FX crosses, or they may use the word Forex pairs, and then metals, okay? And so anyway, I'll trade these basic pairs. And the way you can place a trade from the screen is you just tap on top of one of these pairs, just press and hold, and you just hit the word trade. If you have a Android, I think it'll tell you new order or something like that. Okay. So you can hit it from this screen and press trade. You can come to the second screen where it says chart. And then at the top right-hand corner, you'll see the word trade. All right. And then on the trade screen, in the middle, it says trade. And you can hit the plus sign at the top right. All right. So pretty much, whichever screen you come from, and most of the time it'll be this screen, because when I send you the name of the currency pair, which are those letters on the left side all represent different currencies around the world. You'll tap on the screen, hit the word trade, and now we're inside the zone where you call it the lot sizes. Okay. Now, right here, it has a number. Okay. You always want to make sure when you're beginning these signals, keep that number always on 0.01. If you're used to regular math, right? If you go to a store and they ask you for 1 cent, it'll typically look like this. Okay. But in the day trading world, guys, you have to, that doesn't mean 1 cent. Okay. That means 10 cents. Okay. So in the day trading world, when you see these number together, 0.01, you're looking at 10 cents. Okay. So this is why I don't encourage people just to start trading just because you want to make some money. There are certain principles that you have to know. And this is why one of the reasons people may lose their capital, because they don't educate themselves on the basic of what they need to know prior to investing their money in the markets. So again, this one means 0.01 means 10 cents. So if you look at the very, very bottom of the screen, it says 0.01 lot size equals 10 cents. So the left side is the day trading terms. The right side is USD. Okay. And I'll make sure I put something on this sheet to let you guys know which side you're looking at. Okay. So notice on the right, it says at the very bottom 0.10. That's actual 10 cents. So the right side is the USD currency. Okay. 10 cents equals 0.01. 20 cents equals 0.02. Okay. So the reason for that, guys, is when you're investing your money inside this app and you got $1,000 or $100 in your account balance or 10 grand, whatever the number is, you need to make sure you understand what you're putting in the market. Okay. So 0.01 is 10 cents. 0.02 is 20 cents. 0.03 is 30 cents, etc. Okay. Now, once you reach this number here, guys, you're now at 90 cents. Okay. There is no such thing as 99 cents. Okay. It's going to be in increments of dimes or dollars. Okay. Or just tens. Okay. So now how do I get to the next one? The next thing you have to do now is we're going to move over to the next spot. Now you went from 90 cents to $1. This means $1. This is not 10 cents USD. This is when you're looking inside the app understands this as $1. Okay. If you're going to the grocery store, you're going to be looking at it as 10 cents. But when you're using the MetaTrader 4 app, I need you to always understand the conversion, that this $1 is 0.10. So if you look at the sheet again, midway, it tells you, look at the left side of the screen, 0.10 lot size equals $1. Okay. And I'll explain the pips later on. So that's $1. 0.20 is $2. Okay. So when you're investing, you don't want to think you just put 20 cents in the market, guys. You put $2. Okay. This is important to understand because if you don't know these numbers, you can jeopardize your entire account because you think you're putting in a smaller amount, but you're putting in a bigger amount. Okay. That's $2, $3, $4, etc. Okay. Now let's get up to $9. This means $9. Now, what if I put a number behind it? Well, remember let's put it this way, 0.90 equals $9. But if I put a 1 right here, okay, remember that column, that last column is the dimes, it's the tenths, okay? So now it's $9.10, okay? So number 1 is the 10-cent column, and the 9 is in the dollar column, okay? And the not in the dollar decimal area, okay? So now I have $9.10, $9.20, $9.30, okay? Let's go down to $1. That's $1. If I change this one from 0 to 1, now I have $1.10, $1.20, $1.30, okay? So I wanted to make sure you guys understand that. And then last but not least, when we go from $9.90, we have to jump to the next tenth. All right. So $9.90 plus 10 cents equals what? $10. This is not $1 US, family. This is $10 inside of the MetaTrader 4 app. That's how the app reads it. Okay. This is a $10 investment. $10, 1.00, as stated right here on the conversion chart at the very, very top. 1.00 is $10. Now, if you're trading anything above, bigger lots and stuff like that, you should be more fluent in trading. I'm not really going to go past that because if you're not more of an advanced trader, I wouldn't advise you to even be trading no bigger positions than that. Okay. Now, $10 is a lot of money when it comes to day trading, guys, because we make money off of movements. So something can move 100 times and you put $10 in there, you just made $1,000. Okay. So I'll make that make sense later on. But 1.00 equals $10. 2.00 is 20. 3.00 is $30. Let's go back to 10. Now, what if I put the 9 back? That 9 is in the dollar column. So 9 plus 10 equals $19. 1.90 is $19. I put $19 into the market from my balance. Okay. Now, what if I put an 8 right here? That's $10 plus 8 is $18. Now let's add something in the very last decimal point. Let's put a 3. I got a 30 cents. I got 3 for 30 cents. I got 8 for $8, and I got 1 for 10. 10 plus 8 is 18, plus the 30 cents is $18.30. Okay. But if I put a 1 here, I have 0 cents. I have $1, and then I have a $10. $10 plus 1 equals $11. What if I put a 6 here? It's in my dime spot. Now I have 60 cents, $1, and $10. So I have $11.60. So I wanted to make sure you guys understand that this is so important because what people don't realize is however much capital how much ever you invest, if you decide that you're willing to take the risk, guys, you have to know how much money you're willing to lose. And I'm going to explain that in the next video here soon. When it comes to calculating pips and understanding your risk to reward. But right now, we're just focused on what we call lot sizes. Again, this is the conversion chart. The left side is the lot size, which is inside the MetaTrader 4 app. The right side is your USD terms. And I will add some text to the screenshot so that you guys will know that, okay? But that's a quick little overview video. If you really want some more education, please visit some other academies or check out YouTube. And but this is to keep it very simple so you guys can start copying and pasting these trades. And I appreciate your time. Welcome to the DDKK Signals app, and you guys have a blessed day.